Welcome to Dreambound, a story of love that transcends reality. Once upon a time, in a bustling city, two strangers lived their separate lives: Harshita, an aspiring artist, and Dheeraj, a reserved librarian. Their paths had never crossed in the waking world, yet every night they met in a realm woven from the threads of their dreams. In this dreamscape, the sky was painted with vibrant colors, and the air was thick with the scent of blooming jasmine. They always met in the same spot, a moonlit garden, where flowers glowed softly in the dark, and stars danced above them like fireflies. The first time they met, Harshita was sketching a picture of the garden. When she looked up, Dheeraj was standing there, his expression a mix of wonder and curiosity. Harshita asked Dheeraj, "Who are you?" Dheeraj surprisingly answered, "I could ask you the same. But I feel like I've known you forever." As days turned into nights, their encounters grew richer. They shared stories of their hopes, dreams, and fears. Dheeraj showed Harshita the books he loved, and Harshita painted the vivid landscapes of their dreams. One night, under a canopy of twinkling stars, they danced together. Harshita's laughter echoed like music in the air as Dheeraj spun her around, their hearts beating in sync with the rhythm of the universe. But as dawn approached, a veil of sadness would settle over them. They both knew that when the sun rose, they would return to their mundane lives, alone. One evening, as the sky blushed with the colors of sunset, Harshita took Dheeraj's hands in hers and asked him, "What if we could find a way to be together, even when we wake up?" Dheeraj replied, "I've thought about it, too. But how?" Harshita gave an idea: "Let's leave a piece of our dreams behind, a memory to hold on to." They promised to carry a token of their love into the waking world, something that would connect them. They decided on a small, silver locket, each placing a cherished item inside: Harshita a dried flower from their garden, and Dheeraj a tiny key he had always kept. As they sealed the locket, the air around them shimmered. They could feel the energy of their love, a bridge between their dreams and reality. That night, as they met once more, they were met with a bittersweet realization: the dream was ending. Harshita promised Dheeraj that she'll find him in the waking world. Dheeraj happily responded, "And I'll be waiting." With a final embrace, they whispered their goodbyes, and just like that, dawn broke. Back in reality, Harshita awoke with the locket pressed against her heart. She rushed to the park where she had felt the most connected to Dheeraj, hoping fate would smile upon her. Days passed, each morning filled with anticipation. Until one fateful afternoon, she noticed a familiar figure among the crowd. It was Dheeraj, standing beside a book stand, his eyes scanning the titles. Their gazes met, and time seemed to pause. In that moment, they knew their dreams had not just been dreams, they were a promise waiting to unfold. Hand in hand, they stepped into the future they had dreamed of, knowing that love, truly, knows no boundaries. Thank you for joining us on this journey through dreams and love. Until next time, remember, sometimes all it takes is a leap of faith to make your dreams come true.